Welcome back to Missy and Mac show. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for all your support. And put those comments down below. And enjoy the video. Happy New Year.
Come on, Missy. That a girl. Do you like climbing the snowbanks? Good girl. What are you doing? Come on, let's go. That a girl. You got up there. That's pretty deep, the snow. Okay, let's go. Come on. Come on, you got it. Cars. Car. Okay, let's go. That a girl, Missy. You going on a walk? Come on, let's go. Yes, you're on a walk. Good girl. Are you ready? Yes, this street hasn't been plowed. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Missy. You're in the deep snow. What are you sniffing? Come on. And there's the old homestead. Come on. Come on, you. Come on, girl. That a girl. Are you gonna get the squirrel? What are you doing? Come on, let's go. Come on, back this way. Let's go. Yes, that's the little angel. No, no, no. Get over here, you. Come on. Oh, you're a little sad? Look at you. You got stuff all over your nose. What are you doing? Hey? What are you doing? You want to say hello to everyone? Hello. Who's that? Who's that? You're going to get him. Yes, you're going to get him. You're going to get him. Come here, girl. Get turned that way. There you go. Come on, you. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on. The ice is all jamming up again. It's completely new apartments going up, condominiums. And it looks like this area is going to be something's going in here. It's been sitting for an awful long time. Smith Falls, Ontario, down by River Street. And we're out with Missy walking.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put those comments down below.
Slow down, you. Sniffers. Let's see your social skills here now. Morning, how are you?
Not bad.
Are you going to show your social skills today, Missy? Hey, stop it. Come on, you, let's go. You no, you don't know. Come on, girl. Yeah, you already met this guy. What's this guy's name again?
Remington.
Remington, that's it.
Buddy, you're plowing through deep snow.
Stop it. Stop. Missy. Yeah, Missy. Bye-bye, Remington. You're a YouTube star too, Remington. Come on, Missy. You little chicken. Look at you run.
Oh,
You're-
got carried through deep snow.
Come on, girl.
Come on, bud.
Car. Where's the ball? Come on. You're a good girl, Missy.